Hey there! We've been doing some measuring. We collected pencils from 12 students and measured them in inches. Then we wrote the measurement data in a table. Let's take a closer look at the data. Here is a line plot that we can use to answer some questions. A line plot shows how often each value occurs. The values in the table are the data that are plotted on the line plot. Notice that a dot was placed above each number from the table. If the number occurred more than once, then the dots stack on top of each other for that number. What was the most common pencil length? 6 inches, because there are 4 dots above the 6. Another question we can answer is which dot represents an outlier. An outlier is a number value that is very different from the rest of the number's values. Which number is different from the others? The dot above 2.5 is apart from the other dots. So, 2.5 is an outlier. I think it's time to get a new pencil. So, remember, one way to analyze data is to use a line plot. A line plot makes the data organized and easier to interpret. I'll see you next time.